Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop auto media download in WhatsApp. By default, WhatsApp automatically downloads photos, videos, and audio files, which can eat up your storage and mobile data really fast. Luckily, you can change this so you can only download the media you want. First, go ahead and open your WhatsApp, then tap the three dot icon at the top. From here, go to Settings. Then you want to tap Storage and Data. Here, you'll see a section called Media Auto Download. You can customize when WhatsApp automatically downloads media on mobile data, on Wi-Fi, or when roaming. To stop auto downloads completely, just tap each option and uncheck them. This way, nothing will download automatically and you'll only download media manually when you tap on it in the chat. This is super useful if you want to save data or keep keep your phone storage under control, especially if you're in lots of groups and share tons of photos and videos. So that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.